Welcome back to People's Automotive. I'm here at the shop working on this 2007 Mazda 3 with a 2.0 liter motor. This came in for, or towed in because it was a crank no start. The young lady was at a gas station, was filling up. It was a very rainy, torrential storm day, and as she went to get back in the car and drive off the gas station, the car would not start. It would have lights on, would not crank, no start. So I kind of went down a rabbit hole in this one, and I'm going to admit that. Unfortunately, the first time I came out here to look at this, I was kind of rushed, and I wasn't right mentally, or I had somewhat of a tunnel vision. So the first time around, I actually condemned a PCM. I looked at Powers and Grounds. There was no problem with the scanner. No problem with the PCM. We had communication with electric power steering pump, instrument cluster, and one other thing, TPMS. I think it's TPMS. There's no ABS, and there's no separate TCM as part of the PCM on this model. So that's where I was at. And I had good calm as far as can lines. Can highs and lows look good. When I first checked the Powers and Grounds, the schematics that I had were not quite accurate for this vehicle, so I wound up going a year back. Luckily, Chad, the practical mechanic, I'll put a link to his channel, he kind of helped me see something I didn't see on the schematics. Both All Data and Mitchell had some odd stuff, and lo and behold, I went with All Data because it had better color schematics, and they're almost like track diagrams, like the German vehicles. Okay, so anyway, this time around, I was still kind of going down a rabbit hole, trying to figure out, okay, they got the ECM used. It used ECM. They plugged it in. Still no crank. Already knew that it was going to have a key incompatibility and such. But the fact that I didn't even try cranking, it's still doing the same thing. No comm again with the PCM. To me, this, you know what? Let me start fresh. I came back with a clear mind, thought, regenerated. Because sometimes I'll come out here and I'm already tired. So I started from the beginning. I rescanned to see who I was talking to, okay, and tried to set up another diagnostic path. Then I realized this time around I have to get accurate wiring diagrams. I had a pin out that would state what pin was what color and what it's supposed to read, as in, let me get those diagrams. Okay, so here's one of the pinouts I was using, but this is incorrect. I had a couple that matched up, and then over here, there was no input, no nothing here. Thank you. I had here, like this one said 31, main relay, empty spot, like all these little things. And then this is how, from the back, from the rear, this is the diagram. So, this is what Chad had sent me, the practical mechanic. Nope, wrong one. Where's it at? No, darn it. Oh, this guy. This is the one. So the main relay. This is not getting powered up. Okay? I had checked. Let me see. That fuse was good. Ignition key was good. All these were good. Yeah, all of these are good. What I didn't have was right here. So I didn't have power coming out of here. So this pin, out of here, okay, out of here, 1BA. But you see here, end 1AX, this would be for the automatic. This is manual transmission. So, luckily with Chad, this is how I got that. So, as you can see on my diagram, once I found that I had no power there was a blown fuse down underneath the glove box, and went ahead and replaced that. It did not blow. So here, this is going to be wires. This is what I picked up. Okay, so this is one of the wires
I got chafed. It was chafing on here. So what I did was I put some, it didn't cut through. It didn't cut all the way through. All I did was chafe away some of the insulation. So I put some liquid electrical tape on it. And then 1 and 2 wires I taped up. I'll include those pictures. I did take pictures. And then there's like a little plastic piece in here. And I wrapped everything up with electrical tape first. And then Tessa tape on top of that. And then I confirmed that there were no more failures. It started up every time. As you can see, this is green and yellow. And that was the green and yellow right here, I believe. Either that or green and light blue. Can we see it in here? That guy. But I take pictures of it. I took pictures of it anyway. So I'll go ahead and include everything else that I have, but I just wanted to put this out there. The car has 216,000 miles. And yeah, all good.
So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.